can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin NEO. Over the last 1 week, NEO is up 31.4%. Over the last 1 month, it has gained 22% of its value. Currently trading above $8 with a market cap of $569 million. How high can NEO go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We look at NEO's valuation against the king of the market, Bitcoin. We also look at NEO's market cap. NEO's market cap sits around $578 million. Then we look at NEO's performance against the US dollar. It's sitting at $8, but we've seen NEO trade above $100. We've seen it even trade for as high as $190. How high can NEO go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. NEO currently trades above $8, a market cap of $569 million, a fully diluted market cap sitting at $806 million. NEO's all-time high happened on the 15th of January 2018. So it trading for as high as $196. Right now it's down 95% from that all-time highs. But we're seeing some early signs of altcoin season. We're seeing some early signs of altcoins having double-digit gains on a daily, weekly, and a monthly time frame, where eventually spirals to altcoin season, where we start seeing triple-digit gains. Can NEO join in the party? NEO currently trades around $8 in that 2017-2018 bull market. NEO is one of the altcoins to have. Just $1,000 invested in NEO would have returned, guys, over $2 million. That's how crazy the pump was in 2017-2018. And all happened in 329 days. $1,000 investment would have given you about $2.3 million. But with huge pumps, obviously come huge dumps in the cryptocurrency market. That huge dump for NEO turned out to be the top. Since then, we've seen NEO dump aggressively. First to the COVID sell-off, where it lost 97% of its value in just about 2 years. Then 2021 bull run came around. We saw NEO pumping aggressively also, but this time it failed to break to new all-time highs. This time, even though it rallied up by more than 3,200%, which means $1,000 invested, then the 2019-2020 bear market would have returned over $32,000. But that was not still enough for NEO to get to new all-time highs. The all-time highs were sitting at $190+. Where we could get to in 2021 was just as high as $132. But then we couldn't get to new all-time highs. We started our journey back to Goblin Town as usual. And since then, we have seen NEO lose more than 96% of its value. Hopefully, we've started another pump to the upside. How high will that pump possibly go? A pump will always lead to a dump. But right now, we're in the version of time where a dump is going to lead to a pump. From where we're currently trading, for NEO to get to new all-time highs, we need to see it rally up by more than 2,200%. Historically, all coins can pump aggressively at the end of a market cycle. So NEO pumping 2,000% in 30 days is actually possible. Crazier things have happened in the cryptocurrency market. In March of 2024, NEO could only get to $23. In December, NEO attempted to get to new all-time highs. We got stuck in that $24 level. So that will be a key level to watch out for, the $24 level for NEO. If we don't pass to that $24 level, obviously no new all-time highs. But before we even get to that $129 and $190 level, I believe there's going to be a lot of struggle when we get above $50. From the $50 region to the $60 region, hopefully we'll slice through it like hot knife through butter. If we don't, watch out for what will happen at that $50 to $60 region. Where can you get some NEO for yourself? If you want to get some, you can get some on Binance, on Upbit, on OKX, on Qcoin. Anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some NEO right there. NEO builds itself as a rapidly growing and developing ecosystem that has the goal of becoming the foundation for the next generation of internet, a new economy where digital payments, identity, and assets come together. If you look at NEO's performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin, tale of two stories. So it was pumping aggressively in 2017, pumping aggressively early 2018. If you had believed in the hype and you think the hype will continue forever, guys, you would have been very, very wrong. Because what happened to NEO was that we saw it rallying in 2017, giving us an outrageous return, an outrageous pump against Bitcoin. That pump would have one Bitcoin invested in NEO would have returned more than 215 Bitcoin by the end of a bull market. But all good things must come to an end. That's exactly what happened to NEO. That good time has come to an end for it, and since then it's been dumping progressively down to Goblin Town, finally finding a new low in the last few months. But guys, it's been a long journey, and even in 2021 when NEO rallied by 3,000% against Bitcoin, it could only go up by 500%. So since 2021, it's been finding it hard to set new all-time highs. Since 2017, it has lost more than 99% of its value. The altcoin market is very, very volatile. Volatility is a future, not a bug in the altcoin market. Right now, we're seeing signs of altcoin season around the corner with Bitcoin dominance already dumping. I'll be expecting Bitcoin dominance to get to as low as the 50% region. I'll be expecting sentiment in the cryptocurrency market to go to the extreme greed, extreme fear is when you want to buy, extreme greed is when you want to sell off. Right now, even though we have higher prices, market participants are still scared. Sentiment is neutral with Bitcoin at near all-time highs, Ethereum near all-time highs. Market participants expect big pumps over the next few months. I don't think that will happen. I think we're in the ending phases of this market cycle. So watch out for what altcoins will be doing against Bitcoin. NEO especially, we could easily see 100 to 500% rally for NEO against Bitcoin over the next few days and the next few weeks. Now, if you look at NEO's market cap, currently sitting around the $570 million level. We saw the all-time high coming way back in 2018. The market cap got to as high as $12 billion from where we're currently trading. For NEO to get back to $12 billion, we need to see it pumped by around 2,000%, which is very possible, which can happen very, very quickly. In 2021, we saw NEO attempt to get to new all-time highs, but when we got to $10 billion level, we got rejected. Maybe this time is different, but before we get to $10 billion, we'll have to pass some important levels. First, the $1.7 billion level where NEO has not been able to pass since 2022. If we clear that comfortably, then maybe, just maybe, we can attempt to go for the $4.6 billion region. And after that, we'll make our way towards all-time highs. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Bitcoin dominance dumping, sentiment in the currency market is deteriorating. We're expecting it to enter extreme greed. NEO is showing some early signs of progress, double-digit gains on a daily, double-digit gains on a weekly, and double-digit gains on the monthly. How high do you see NEO going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Are you buying more NEO tokens for yourself right now into your moon bag? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.